Hey guys, this is Iris over at BrandonRouth.com. This is my first time doing this, so please bear with. I have in my possession the first officially licensed DC Comics, The Atom memorabilia, as manufactured by Icon Heroes and distributed by Warner Brothers. Note that I did buy this directly from Icon Heroes for free shipping, and got it within 3 days, so that's really awesome to hear. So I haven't opened this yet, so let me just cut it open. Pretty big box for a small figure. I think it stands about 8.8 inches tall. Should come with a few goodies like a certificate of authenticity, it's pretty wicked already. Got my receipt, I'll set that aside. Nothing else in the box. So let me just take a look at this. See if you can see that. So this was, I believe, manufactured when Brandon Routh was on Arrow, portraying Ray Palmer, aka the Atom. That might explain the Arrow branding up top. As we know, he's kicking butt on DC's Legends of Tomorrow's, airing Thursday. Let's take a look at this. Anything else on the bottom? So here we go. Looks like the Icon Heroes made 2,000 of these. I have the 1,031st. See that? I don't know. That's pretty wicked. So, side note, when Brandon played Superman in Superman Returns about a decade ago, I can't believe it's been that long. I did not buy any statues or figurines or whatnot, so that's kind of a regret. So I won't make that same mistake twice. So this is, again, I believe, the first officially licensed Atom product. There we go. There's that certificate of authenticity. Pretty cool. Trying to keep my cool right now. Blank on the backside. Again, number 1031 out of 2000. Got some styrofoam topping. Slide that out. Snowing. Set the box in the background. Kind of looks nice. We got some tape. Let me just that open. So obviously this is manufactured in Brandon Routh's likeness. The backside. And that's the front. It's got some nice paper, plastic bag around it. Actually, it's got some nice, really nice heft. I can't say I own anything like this. So my initial impression is it's pretty awesome. I mean, obviously he's a really awesome character on both Arrow and DC's Legends of Tomorrow. You got the numbering at the bottom. Just know that I'm not getting paid to do this. That's really not what I'm here for. I just want to let you guys know that something like this is out there, and that you can buy it. I believe Icon Heroes and WBShop.com is only shipping this to the US for now. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You can order it through your local comic book store also. I tweeted a code out that you can give to your local comic book shop earlier this week. I can send that out again. I think that's pretty cool. I think it retails for around $50. Again, since I bought it directly through Icon Heroes, I think I paid $49.95. They gave me free 3-day shipping, so I got it at the end of this week. Again, really, really cool. Actually, nice detail. I don't know if you want me to zoom in. Again, first time doing this. I know you guys are probably making comments, and I don't think I can read those right now. So I'll be happy to follow up on Twitter. Got the side there, the back. Again, that's his right arm. This is pretty neat. Be a little zoom in on his face. Get in under there. You got that nice Adam logo on his helmet. Again, I think this stands about 8.8 inches tall. Got that kind of black, red on there. His little, I don't know what those are, bungee cords? Something that holds the suit together. And again, kind of like, you want to go back to that Icon Heroes. Again, not getting paid to do this. Just wanted to show you that this is available both on IconHeroes.com and soon WBShop.com, which is the official Warner Brothers store where you can buy him. Again, this is the Atom statue paperweight featuring Brandon Routh's likeness, who is now playing Ray Palmer, aka the Atom, on DC's Legends of Tomorrow Thursday nights on the CW. I think that's about it. Again, let me know on Twitter if you want me to note anything else, or if you want to ask me any questions. I can help address those. It's really, really quite neat. Yeah, the space again. And again, this is the box. It's going to be available very soon at your local comic book store. Again, just give them the previews code for this. I can tweet that out again. So, pretty cool box. Again, this is an officially licensed DC Comics The Atom collectible. All right. Thanks for your time. I'll see you on Twitter.